Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how I remove these individual faux locks from my hair. If you're interested in seeing how I uninstall this hair, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mosun. I record videos on faith, beauty, hair, and lifestyle. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. You are the real MVP. So let's get started with removing this hair. I try to check online to see if anyone has done an on-install video, but I didn't come across that many. I think I only came across one or two people, but they didn't install it the same way I installed it. So I decided, what the heck, let me just record this video as I take down the hair. I've taken majority out from the back, so I'm closer to the front now, and I want to begin to share with you guys how I take out my hair. I'm just gonna show maybe one or two of me uninstalling from like the middle of my hair, and then I'm gonna fast forward to the front and show you guys properly. So the idea is to find that rugged place upon like the crochet faux locks where you wrapped around the kinky hair. So it's usually like, if you guys remember from the video. Now if you want to see the tutorial on how I installed this crochet, then you can click the info card right up here and you'll be able to see how to install it. But from that video you would know that this individual crochet is kind of different. It has the faux crochet loop and then the kinky hair to wrap around. So this is the kinky hair that was wrapped around. So I am just going to unravel it like so, removing it. Now because it's been there for a while, it's gonna like get tangled up with the faux crochet, but don't worry, once you pull it apart it should be easy. So you just unravel like that until you have unraveled everything. Now you have to find where you inserted your own individual hair. So I can feel the difference between the faux and my hair. So now I'm just gonna pull my hair from the insert that I did. This is gonna be, was that my hair that I was pulling? Yeah, so I'm just gonna pull my hair. As you guys can see, let me just turn this to the side. I'm pulling my hair from the faux. Let me just move in a little bit. Yep, so as you will see, I am pulling my hair from the faux, right? So as I did that, I am now gonna find the loop, which is right here. This is the loop right here. So I'm gonna take that loop and pull out the faux locks. Remember, we inserted it like so, and then now you can see the hair, and I am just going to pull it out. That easy. So that's how easy it is to take it out. Once more, I'm going to show you guys from the middle. Just take another one. So you actually have to fill out the crochet to find out where you stop wrapping, and it's right around here. So I am just going to unravel that, break that apart, because as it ages it gets tangled in between. So you're just unraveling that from the faux. So like I said, if it feels like snug or tight, just yank it apart and it should be able to remove. So I'm doing it like that. Removing, unraveling, 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 unraveling till I have no more ravel, and then you would have this section, and then I would fill for my hair. So this is my hair right here, and then I am pulling it out of the crochet that it was inserted in. So pulling that out, and then now you look for the loop, which is right here, and then you begin to pull the crochet out. So you might struggle with this because you're not physically seeing this, but it really shouldn't be hard. I'm struggling a little bit right here, but no, now we got it. So you're just pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling, pulling until you get it all out. And then you have what you started with, and then you just pull that out. Oh, I was pulling my hair, but you pull that out like that. So that's how easy it is. I'm going to take out a little bit more, and then once I get to the front, I'm gonna come back and show you guys in depthly what that looks like. All right guys, so I'm up to the front and I'm about to take out the remaining 3. So like I said before, you would just need to find where the end of that kinkier part is, unravel, 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 and then once you finish unraveling, you find your hair, and then once you find your hair, you just pull it out like so, and then you look for the loop. So then you look for the loop, and then you take the faux locks and you slip it out through the loop like so. And then once you have done that, you should be able to pull. If this gets tangled and it's, just make sure it's not your hair, just pull. Should be able to pull the faux locks right out, just like so. Okay, so here is the last strand. I'm going to show you guys again. So you unravel the kinkier hair. So you unravel. Unravel the kinkier hair, find your hair, pull it out like that, and then find the loop. Okay, so once you find it, just remove the crochet like so, and then pull it out, and then you're done. So yes, that's how I uninstall the individual crochet faux locks. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment below, and share this with people who have done or used the Freetress Shake and Go Hipsta Loc, and they're trying to figure out how can I take this out. Another thing you can also do is, once you have removed your hair, if you can find someone, or if you're in front of a mirror and you can just snip by the side, that works as well too. It's quicker. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe. If you're here and you have not subscribed to my channel, come on, subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification, so that you can be informed when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on my next one. Take care. Bye.